How to create posters in Canva PC. First of all, open Canva and make sure you are logged in. On the home page, click the Create a Design button with the plus icon. In the search bar, type poster and choose the format that best suits your needs. Canva will then display a variety of poster templates in the left panel, including event poster, marketing poster, educational poster, and more. You can also choose a blank canvas if you want to create your poster from scratch. Once you select a template, it will open in the Canva editor. Here you can fully customize your poster, edit text, change font, adjust color, and replace placeholder content with your own information. You will also find elements, photos, icons, text, and backgrounds to enhance your poster. You can also upload your own images, logos, or graphics to match your brand or event theme. For a professional and visually appealing poster, make sure your content is clear and organized. Use headings, subheadings, and visuals to convey your message effectively. After finishing your design, click Share to collaborate online or download your poster as a PDF, PNG, or JPG, depending on whether you want it for print or digital use. Now you know how to create posters in Canva. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.